प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते। सर्वे कुशलिनः इति चिन्तयामि। पश्यन्तु, इदानीं जनवरी मासः आगतम् अस्ति। तथैव CBSE मध्ये अन्तिमपरीक्षायाः दिनाङ्कः घोषितम् अस्ति। तत्रैव अस्माकं स्टेट् सिलेबस् अस्य अन्तिमपरीक्षा अपि भविष्यति। अतः इदानीमेव तस्याः कृते सिद्धतां कुर्मः। पश्यतु, गतकक्षायां वयं प्रथमपाठस्य अवलोकनं कृतवन्तः। अद्य द्वितीयपाठस्य अवलोकनं कुर्मः। द्वितीयपाठः कः? परेषामपि रक्ष जीवितम् तदेव अस्माकं द्वितीयः पाठः। सिंहासनद्वात्रिंशिका वररुचिः। यदा पाठस्य नामं पश्यामः, शृणुमः, पश्यतु, परेषामपि रक्ष जीवितम्। जीवितम् अस्माकं जीवनं। यदा जीवः भवति तस्मिन् काले जीवित अवधिः इति वदामः। तदा किं करणीयं? परेषां रक्षा। अस्तु, यावत्पर्यन्तं जीवः अस्माकं शरीरे अस्ति तावत्पर्यन्तं परेषां रक्षणं करणीयम्। तदेव अस्य पाठस्य मुख्य अंशः अस्ति। पीठिकां पश्यामः। सिंहासनद्वात्रिंशिका नाम कथासङ्ग्रहः। एषः कथानां सङ्ग्रहः अस्ति। पश्यतु, 32 कथाः सन्ति। 32. 32 stories are there in this book. तत्र एकः एषः। अस्य ग्रन्थस्य कर्ता वररुचिर्नाम कश्चित् कविः इति श्रूयते। We are getting information that some Vararuchi named one poet wrote this book. परेषामपि रक्ष जीवितम् इति शिरोनामाङ्किते अस्मिन् पाठ्यभागे विक्रमादित्यस्य परदुःखस्पन्दनगुणः हृदयङ्गमरीत्या निरूपितो वर्तते. In this chapter, we are able to see that Vikramaditya was a king, very famous king. Everybody know about that. Vikramaditya's the mutual affection towards the sad people. Paradukha spandana gunaha, the quality of communicate with the sad person. That one very heart touchably explained in this chapter. ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ದ್ವಾತ್ರಿಂಶಿಕ ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಆ ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ 32 ಕಥೆಗಳಿವೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ವರರುಚಿ ಅನ್ನುವ ಕವಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಕ್ರಮಾದಿತ್ಯನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರ ದುಃಖಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸಿದ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಹೇಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಅದನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏಷಾ ಕಥಾ ಪರೋಪಕಾರಾಯ ಶರೀರ ಲಾಭಃ ಇತಿ ನೀತಿಂ ಬೋಧಯತಿ. ಶರೀರಮಾರ್ಥಂ ಖಲು ಜನ್ಮ ಸಾಧನಂ. ಪರೋಪಕಾರಾಯ ಶರೀರ ಲಾಭ. This whole body you have to use to help other. कस्यापि जन्तोः हिंसा न कार्या इति सन्देशः अत्र सुस्पष्टः. one more message we are getting here. What is that? We are getting for other living people we should not harm. That is also we are getting in this chapter. इदानीं पाठं पश्यामः. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಕಷ್ಟ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಸಂದೇಶ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಮೌಲ್ಯ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಪಾಠದ ಆರಂಭ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅಥ ಭೋಜೇ ಸಮಾಚಕ್ರಮ್ಯಮಾಣೋ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನೆ ಪುತ್ತಲಿಕ ಅನ್ಯ ಕಥಯತಿ. ಅಥ यदा भगवद्गीतां पश्यामः अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः. अथ अथ नाम किम्? अथ नाम अनन्तरं. प्रथमम् एकं कार्यं समाप्तमस्ति, इदानीम् अनन्तरम् इति वदामः. अतः अथ इति तत्र उपयोगः. अथ अनन्तरं भोजे समाचक्रम्यमाणो सिंहासने. भोजराजः कुत्र उपविशति, तस्य सिंहासनस्य अन्या पुत्तलिका, एका पुत्तलिका, एका मूर्तिः कथयति, वदति. ತದನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಭೋಜನು ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಏರಲು ಸಿದ್ಧನಾದಾಗ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಆ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪುತ್ತಲಿಕಾ, ಪುತ್ತಲಿಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿತು? ಮಾತನಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿತು. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಭೋಜ, ರಾಜ, king, yes, want to climb the stage and sit on the simhasana, at that time, yes, one doll or puthalika, gombe, doll, told something. What is that? I will see that. Bho Rajan Shruyatam Vikrame Rajyam Shasati Bhumandale Vishunah Taskaraha Papa Karma Niradascha Nasitu. ಓ ರಾಜನೇ ಕೇಳು. ಏನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು? ವಿಕ್ರಮೇ ರಾಜ್ಯ, ವಿಕ್ರಮನ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಆಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಈ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಭೂಮಂಡಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ರಾಜ್ಯಂ ಶಾಸಿತ ಭೂಮಂಡಲ, ಈ ಭೂಮಂಡಲ ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಆಳ್ತಿರುವಾಗ ಪಿಶುನಃ ತಸ್ಕರಃ ಪಾಪ ಕರ್ಮ ನಿರತಶ್ಚ ನ ಆಸೀತ್. ಪಿಶುನರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಪಿಶುನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು? ಪಿಶುನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಪಿಗಳು. ಆದ ನಂತರ ತಸ್ಕರ, ಚೋರರು, ಕಳ್ಳರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಪಾಪ ಕರ್ಮ, ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋರು. We can able to observe that. The doll is telling that, please listen, the king. When Vikrama was the king, at that moment upon this earth, no greedy persons were there, no thieves were there, no bad work persons were there. Anyaccha yasya rajñah sada rajya bhara chinta balavadvairi vijaya chinta cha asti saratro nidrambe nadichaka nadigacchati. ಕಿಂಭವತಿ ಅನ್ಯಚ್ಚ, ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳುವುದಾದ್ರೆ ಯಸ್ಯ ರಾಜ್ಞಃ ಸದಾ ರಾಜ್ಯಭಾರ ಚಿಂತ, ಯಾವ ರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳದ್ದೇ ಚಿಂತೆ, ರಾಜ್ಯದ್ದೇ ಚಿಂತೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಬಲವದ್ವೈರಿ ವಿಜಯ ಚಿಂತ, ನನ್ನಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬಲಶಾಲಿಗಳಾದಂತಹ ವೈರಿಗಳ ವಿಜಯದ ಚಿಂತೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸರಾತ್ರೋ ನಿದ್ರಾಮಿ, ಆ ರಾಜ ರಾತ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. Where we can observe that his king is thinking about his kingdom and more strong enemies also. Those kings not able to get sleep also. उक्तञ्च चिन्तातुराणां न खलु न निद्रा. Yes, this very famous saying is there. We have chinta. The time, na sukha, na nidra. There is no happiness, there is no sleep. ಅಯಂ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಒಂದು ಶ್ಲೋಕ ಇದೆ, ಚಿಂತೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸುಖ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿದ್ರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಯಂ ವಿಕ್ರಮಾದಿತ್ಯೋ ರಾಜ ತಥಾವಿಧೋ ನ ಭವತಿ. ಈ ವಿಕ್ರಮಾದಿತ್ಯ ರಾಜ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸರ್ವಾನ್ ಅರ್ತಿಭೂಭುಜಃ ಸ್ವಪಾದ ಪದ್ಮಾಶ್ರುತಾನ್ ವಿಧಾಯ ಆಜ್ಞಾ ಪ್ರದಾನೇನ ರಾಜ್ಯಂ ಕರೋತಿ. ಯಾರು ಸದಾಕಾಲ ಚಿಂತಾಮಗ್ನರಾಗಿ ಸುಖವಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ವಿಕ್ರಮಾದಿತ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಜಗಳನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಪಾದ ಪದ್ಮಗಳ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶ್ರಯ ನೀಡಿ ಆಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನಿತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯವಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ತದನಂತರ ರಾಜ್ಯಂ ಕರೋತಿ ಸ್ಮ. ಏಕದಾ ಸ ರಾಜ್ಯಭಾರಂ ಮಂತ್ರಿಷು ನಿಧಾಯ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಯೋಗಿ ವೇಷೇಣ ದೇಶಾಂತರ. ಏಕದಾ, once upon a time what happened? He gave his Rajyabhara, that means administration, to his minister, and he went to Deshantara. Deshantara nama out of station. Hirkatha went yatra आत्मनश्चित्तस्य सुखं भवति तत्र कतिचित् दिनानि तिष्ठति. Yes, he is standing. Where he is standing, there he will get full calm for his soul. Yatrascharyan pashyati yatra vikalam yet. There he will get ascharya. There also time is going. Evam paryatanam ekasmin divase यावत् सः महारण्यवध्यं प्राविशत्. इदा तदा किं भवति? तदा यत्र आत्मनश्चित्तस्य सुखं भवति, where he find that happiness in his Katijani, there he will stay. Yatrascharyan pashyati, where he observes something surprise, there he will spend time. ಒಂದು ದಿನ ರಾಜ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ತನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಂತ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ದೇಶಾಂತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಸುಖ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ದಿನ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ದಿನ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಏವಂ ಪರ್ಯಟನ್ ಏಕಸ್ಮಿನ್ ದಿವಸೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಸಹ ಮಹಾರಣ್ಯವಧ್ಯಂ ಪ್ರಾವಿಶತ್. ಒಂದಿನ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಹೀಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ 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 ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅರಣ್ಯದ ಮಧ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ತಾವತ್ ಸೂರ್ಯೋಸ್ತಂಗತ, ಆ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂರ್ಯನು ಕೂಡ ಮುಳುಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಒನ್ ಡೇ like this only he is traveling here and there. Finally he entered one forest. At the middle of the forest is Suryam Stangatah, sunset become. Adha Raja Vrishamulamekam Ashritya Ratro Sthitha. That's why the king took a shelter under a tree, near the roots of the tree. Ratro stayed at night. तस्य वृक्षस्योपरि वृद्धः चिरञ्जीवी नाम कश्चित् पक्षिराजः. तस्य वृक्षस्य उपरि, that tree is upside one bird was there called Chiranjeevi. तस्य पुत्राः पौत्राः स्वदेशान्तरं गत्वा सोदरं पूरयित्वा सायङ्काले प्रत्येकम् एकैकं फलम् आदाय वृद्धाय तस्मै चिरञ्जीविने प्रतिदिनं प्रयच्छन्ति स्म. प्रतिदिನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಹಾರ ತಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ततो रात्रौ चिरञ्जीवी सुखेन उपविष्टः तान् पक्षिणः अपृच्छत्. That day, when his king came and slept under the tree, that day, रात्रौ चिरञ्जीवी सुखेन उपविष्टः, Chiranjeevi sat very happily. तान् पक्षिणः asked something to those birds. राजापि वृक्षमूले स्थितस्तद्वचः शृणोति. At that moment, Raja also able to listen that words, that sounds. Yes, Goh putra युष्माभिर्नानादेशान् पर्यटद्भिः किं विचित्रं दृष्टम्. So, Chiranjeevi asked whether if he have observed any vichitra special. तत्र एकेन मुक्षिणा भणितं. One bird told that मया किमपि आश्चर्यं न दृष्टं. By me nothing saw any surprise. परमद्य मम चेतसि महद्दुःखं. But also in my mind so much sad is there. चिरञ्जीविनोक्तं, Chiranjeevi didn't tell. तत् कथय किं निमित्तं दुःखस्य. Please tell me what is the reason behind your sadness. तेनोक्तं केवलं कथनेन किं भवति. By just telling what is going to happen. वृद्धेनोक्तं, Chiranjeevi told, हो पुत्र, यो दुःखी सः सुहृदी दुःख्यं निवेद्य सुखी भवति इदं. If sukhi bhavati. Okay, so if you are very full of sad, still your heart is very good. Yes, dukkham nivedya. After telling your sadness to other, your sadness going to reduce. That and all observed by Chiranjeevi, old person. Tasya vakyam shruta. After listening his word. ಅವನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ ಸದುಃಖ ಕಾರಣ ದುಃಖದ ಕಾರಣವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. He told the reason of dukkha, sadness. Oh, Tata, Shrita, oh respected parson, listen. अस्ति उत्तरे देशे शैवलघोषो नाम पर्वतः. Northern place, one parvata, one hill was there called as Shaivalghosha. Tat parvata samipe palashana. Tat parvata samipe palashana. Tat parvata samipe, near of that parvata, what is going to happen? Palasha nagaram asti. There is one nagara city called as Palasha. तस्मिन् पर्वते स्थितः कश्चित् राक्षसः प्रतिदिनं नगरमागत्य सम्मुखायान्तं यं कञ्चनम् अनुशं स्त्रियं बालकादिकं वा पर्वते नीत्वा भक्षयति. तस्मिन् पर्वते, in that पर्वत, in that hill, कश्चित् राक्षसः, some rakshasa was there. Every day is coming to city and went all observing front side, grabbing, eating. Parvate nitva bhakshay, taking them to Parvata and eating. ತಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಆ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ. ಏಕದಾ ಸಹ ನಗರವಾಸಿಭಿಃ ಜನೈಃ ಉಕ್ತಃ ಭವತಿ ಕಿಮುಕ್ತಃ. भो बकासुर त्वं यथेच्छं सम्मुखपतितं यं कमेवं मा भक्षय वयं तुभ्यं प्रतिदिनम् आहारार्थम् एकं मानवं दास्यामः. So what happened? When all living in that Nagara, those came together and told to that Asura or Rakshasa, Bukasura, Tvam yatecham sammukapatitam yam kameva ma bhakshaya. Don't eat and all you observe in front of you. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೀದಾ ಹೋಗಿ ತಿನ್ಬೇಡ. ವಯಂ ತುಭ್ಯಂ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನಂ ಆಹಾರಾರ್ಥಂ ಏಕಂ ಮಾನವಂ ದಾಸ. ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟೆ ಇನ್ನು ಆಹಾರಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ತದ್ವಚಃ ತೇನ ಅಂಗೀಕೃತ. ಆ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಅಂಗೀಕರಿಸಿದರು. ಯಾರು? ಆ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ. ತದನಂತರಂ ತತ್ರತ್ಯಾಹ ಜನಾಃ ಪ್ರತಿ ಅನುಕ್ರಮಂ ಗೃಹಕ್ರಮೇಣ ಏಕೈಕಂ ಮಾನವಂ ತಸ್ಮೈ ಪ್ರಯಚ್ಛಂತಿ. ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಅವನ ಆಹಾರವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಏವಂ ಮಹಾನ್ ಕಾಲೋದರ ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಉಳಿದೋಯ್ತು. ಅದ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ವಜನ್ಮನಿ ಸಂಜಾತ ಸೌಹಾರ್ದಸ್ಯ ಮಮ ಮಿತ್ರಸ್ಯ ಕಸ್ಯಚಿತ್ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣಸ್ಯ ಪರ್ಯಾಯಃ ಸ್ಮಾಯತ. ಹೀಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನೇ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಿತ್ರರು, ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣರು ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವರ ಸರದಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆಹಾರವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So he is telling that my friend, means that bird is telling that my friend got the rotation. So from that house one should go as a food of that Rakshasa. Tasya eka eva putraha. That person's only one son. Putram dadati chet santati chedaha bhavishyati. If he asks to his son to go as food, at time this person will get the blamings. What blamings he will get? He will get his blamings. Why your santati, that means future, did not protect. तदेव तदनन्तरं किं भवति? पुत्रीं दास्यति. पश्यतु, यदा पुत्रं ददाति चेत् सन्ततिच्छेद. If son going to be there, that time family not going to increase. आत्मनं प्रयच्छति चेत् भार्या विधवा. If himself he go, wife will become widow. ವೈಧವ್ಯಂ, ಹಾಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಅವನು ಹೆಂಡತಿ ವಿಧವೆ ಆಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ತದನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಧವ್ಯಂ ಪುನರ್ ಮಹದುಃಖ ಅಭವತ್. ಮಹದುಃಖ, ತುಂಬ ದುಃಖ ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. We got so much sad about that. तदनन्तरं किं भवति? पुत्रीं दास्यति चेत् आश्रमभ्रंशो भवति. If he asks his daughter to go there, that time his आश्रमभ्रंशः भवति. आश्रमभ्रंशः नाम आश्रमः नाम चत्वारः. किं किं? ब्रह्मचर्य, गृहस्थ, वानप्रस्थ, मोक्ष. ब्रह्मचर्य समाप्तमस्ति, इदानीं वानस्थ. किमर्थं, कथं वयं तत्र कर्तुं शक्यते? आश्रयभंशः भवति. पश्यतु, यदा गृहस्थः इति चिन्तयामः, गृहस्थः सर्वेषां रक्षकः भवति. तदेव तदर्थम् अस्ति. भवतु, इदानीं अग्रे गच्छामः. किं करोति? वयं तुभ्यं पुत्रीं दास्यति चेत् अंशः तेषां परेषु दुःखम् अहं महद्दुःखी. If they are going to die, I'll get more and more dukkha, pain. Tasya vachanam shrutva tatrati pakshibhir bhanitam. After listening these words, some other birds told that, Aho, I am a suhrid sa yaha suhrido dukkhena I am dukhi bhavati. At time, all other birds are telling, this person is very close friend of that person because when your friend is getting sad, you are also getting sad. तेषां परेषां दुःखेन किं भवति अहं महद्दुःखी ग्रेट सैड पर्सन तस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा तत्रत्यै पक्षिभिर्भणितम् after listening his words which and all words were there those words were told aho ayameva suhud yah suhrudo dukkhena swayam dukhi this person only suhud this person only very good person why because when yes some other are getting sadness he felt that that sadness is himself yes that's why एतदेव मित्रत्वम् उत्तञ्च सुखिते सुखी सुतुभिः यः दुःखिनी दुःखी च अनन्तरं बन्धुर्भवति इति पक्षिणो वचः श्रुत्वा विहङ्गरवार्थविज्ञः राजा तत्र नगरे वध्यशिलासमीपं गतः. After listening all these things, he went near to that place. Tatra brahmanam niriksham. Tatra brahmanam niriksham किं भवति? The nirikshya, after seeing the brahmana at that place, abhayam datva, he gave abhaya. Abhaya means don't worry, be calm, like that. That king told to that brahmana. Swagriham sampreshya. After that, the king sent him to his own house. He told him, go back to your house. I'll be here. Tat samipasthe sarovare snatva. Near that samipasthe bhavati sarovare snatva. In that water pond, he took bath and vadhyashilayam uthamshat. Vadhyashila killing place, killing stone. On that he sat. तस्मिन् समये राक्षसः समागत्य प्रहसितवदनं पुरुषं दृष्ट्वा विस्मितः दम्भ्रोत्. happened प्रहसितः बहु सन्तोषेण सः राजः उपविशति. बहु सन्तोषेण तत्र तादृशरीत्या सन्तोषः एषः राक्षसः पूर्वं न दृष्टम् एव. Before that he didn't see like this person. पश्यतु तस्मिन् समये राक्षसः समागत्य प्रहसितवदनं पुरुषं दृष्ट्वा. At that moment Raja came and this mild person is king. He observed that person and told this भो महास्त्वा अत्र शिलायां प्रतिदिनं यः उपविशति शिलायां किं भवति तदा भवति अत्र शिलायां यः उपविशति सः मत् आगमनात् पूर्वं म्रियते. Before I reach here, that person is going to die because of the hesitation, fear. Tvam punaha mahadhairya sampanna. You are the very courageous person. Prahasita vadano drishyase. You are smiling and sitting there. Yasya marana kalaha samayatah. Whose death is coming. Tasyendriyani glanim praptuvanti. At that moment, that person's indriya means eye, nose, these noses. Glanim prapnuvanti, they will get wrecked. That means tears will come. That nose will come. Tvam punaha adhikam krantim prapta prahanati. But what you are doing, you are getting still more brightness and you are laughing. तर्हि कथय को भवान्? Then tell me, who are you? You are the different one. Tell me, who are you? Raja Bharata. Raja is telling, Maya paraartam etad shariram diyate स्वेच्छया अतो न मे कामिग्लानिः भवतु किमानेन विचारेण तव त्वमात्मनः समीहितं कुरु इति तदा राक्षसः मनसा चिन्तयति अहो साधुरयं यः आत्मनः सुखभोगेच्छां विहाय परदुःखेन दुःखी भूत्वा अत्र एति एति नाम आगच्छति। सः राक्षसः चिन्तयति। किं चिन्तयति? मनसा चिन्तयति, नाಟ್ ಓಪನ್ಲಿ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್, ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಹೋ ಸಾಧುರೈ, ಇವನು ತುಂಬ ಸಾಧುವಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಧುವಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ? ಯಾರು ತನ್ನನ್ನು ಬೇರೆಯವರ ಉದ್ಧಾರಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ, ಎಳೆಗೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರು ಪಶ್ಯತು. ಯಹ ಆತ್ಮನಃ ಸುಖ ಭೋಗೇಚ್ಛಾಂ ವಿಹಾಯ, ತನ್ನ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸುಖ ಭೋಗಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಸುಖಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದುಃಖೀಭೂತ್ವ ಅತ್ರ ಐತಿ, ದುಃಖನಾಗಿ ಪರದುಃಖೇನ ದುಃಖೀಭೂತ, ಬೇರೆಯವರ ದುಃಖದಲ್ಲಿ ದುಃಖವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ಹೇಳುವಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? ತ್ಯಕ್ತ್ವಾತ್ಮ ಸುಖ ದುಃಖೇಚ್ಛಾಂ ಸರ್ವಸತ್ವಸುಖೀಷಿಣಃ ಭವಂತಿ ಪರದುಃಖೇನ ಸಾಧವೋತ್ಯಂತ ದುಃಖಿನಃ. ತ್ಯಕ್ತ್ವಾತ್ಮ ಸುಖ ದುಃಖೇಚ್ಛಾಂ. ಅಸ್ತು ಆತ್ಮನಃ ಸಿದೆ ಅನ್ವಯಾರ್ಥ. ಆತ್ಮನಃ ಸುಖ ದುಃಖ ಇಚ್ಛಾಂ ತ್ಯಕ್ತ್ವಾ himself, which and all sukha is there, dukkha is that and all. Sarva sattva sukhaishina is no longer philosophy and all. Sadhavaha says paradukkhena atyanta dukkhinah bhavanti. ಬೇರೆಯವರ ದುಃಖದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ದುಃಖವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ತಾರೆ. Yes, some people are there, they are being sad if others are sad. So this and all very important thing. एवं विचार्य स राजानम अब्रवीत. Yes, after thinking this, that Rakshasa told to Raja, "Bho Mahapurusha, tvam sarvasyartiharo guruhu yatah tvam vishwasya artim viharasi parartham shariram prayachhatas taveva etat shariram shlaghyam." What they are doing? Yes, O Mahapurusha, you are the Guru. Yes, you are the remover of all sad. So you are using your body for other. Yes, you are giving that. Yes, this is appreciating work. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೊಗಳಲೇಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯ, ನಿನ್ನ ಶರೀರ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀನೇ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಕುತಃ ಪಶವೋಪಿ ಹಿ ಜೀವಿತಂ ಜೀವಂತಿ ಕೇವಲಂ ಸೋದರಂ ಭರಃ ತಸ್ಯೈವ ಜೀವಿತಂ ಶ್ಲಾಘ್ಯಂ ಯಃ ವಾರ್ಥೇ ಜೀವಿತಂ ಜೀವತಿ. Underline पाशवः अपि केवलं स्वोदरं हरा हि पूजन्ति. All animals are thinking about their stomach, no other thing. यह ಪರಾರ್ಥೇ ಜೀವತಿ ಯಾರು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ತಸ್ಯೈವ ಜೀವಿತಂ ಶ್ಲಾಘ್ಯಂ ಅವರ ಜೀವನವೇ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಯೋಗ್ಯವಾದ ಇದರೀತ್ಯ ವದತಿ ಭವಾದೃಶಂ ಪರೋಪಕಾರಿಣಂ ಕಾರಣಾಂ ಏತಚ್ಚಿತ್ರಂ ನ ಭವತಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮಂತಹ ಪರೋಪಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬರಬಾರದು. Should not get like this condition for doing very good job or other. Bho Mahasattva अनेनैव परोपकारेण त्वं सर्वाः सम्पदः प्राप्नोषि त्वं हि त्वयि अहं दुष्टोऽस्मि वरं वृणीष्व इति. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪರೋಪಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಅದರ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ನಾನು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಬೂನ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಇನ್ನು ವರವನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬಹುದು ನಮಗೆ. ರಾಜೋಕ್ತಂ ರಾಜ ಟು ಭೋ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ತ್ವಂ ಯದಿ ಮಯಿ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನೋಸ್ಮಿ. ಓ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೀ ತರ್ಹಿ ಅದ್ಯ ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಭಕ್ಷಣಂ ಪರಿತ್ಯಜ. You are happy with me, now itself you have to leave the manushya bhakshana, eating human beings. You should leave that. Rajyoktam अस्ति किमवति Rajyoktam अस्तु किमवति बहु सुलभमस्ति. अस्तु अन्यापि मया अभिधीयमानम् उपदेशं शृणु. Yes, please listen my उपदेश, preaching. यथा भवज्जीवितमात्मनः प्रियं तथा परेषामपि जीवितं प्रियम्. निरीक्ष्यते जीवितमात्मनो यथा तथा परेषामपि रक्ष्य जीवितम्. How others are living, how you are living, and that others also should live, no? That's why you should stop killing and eating. Nikshate jeevitamatmano yatha tatha pareshamapi raksha jeevitam. You have to protect. If you are helping others, that is going to protect you. राज्ञा प्रबोधितः रक्षसः तारात् प्रभृतिरीव मारणं त्यत्याज. What Raja did? Raja left all cruel things. Raja Jaswanagarim किमभवति? राजा Jaswanagarim प्रत्यागत त्यागात्. राजा तन्न नगरಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇಮಾಂ ಕಥಾಂ ಕಥಯಿತ್ವ ಪುತ್ತಲಿಗ ಭೋಜರಾಜಂ ಪ್ರತಿ ಅಬ್ರವೀತ್. ಈ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಪುತ್ತಲಿಗ, ಆ ಗೊಂಬೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತು. ತ್ವಯಿ ಏವಂ ಪರೋಪಕಾರ ದಯಾದಯಃ ಗುಣಾಃ ವಿದ್ಯಂತೆ ಚೇತರ್ಯಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನೆ ಸಮುಪವಿಶ ಇತಿ. If you have this quality, you can go to next step. You can reach the Simhasana. It Raja Maunam Apam. Raja silently stood over that place. Yatha bhavatah jeevitam atmanah priyam. How your life is very, very, very priya, love. Yes, or like that. Paresham, others life also priyam. यथा आत्मनः जीवितम् आत्मनः जीवितं निरीक्ष्यते तथा परेषामपि जीवितं. How you want to live upon this? You must like that. Let others live upon this. एतद्रीत्या बहु सुन्दररीत्या एषः पाठः अस्ति। तदनन्तरं शब्दार्थं दत्तम् अस्ति समाचक्रम् सेण्डिङ्ग् सुलभमस्ति। इदानीम् अभ्यासं पश्यतु। तत्र प्रथमप्रश्नः अस्ति विक्रमादित्य कथां का कथयति? ಯಾರು ವಿಕ್ರಮಾದಿತ್ಯನ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಹೂ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ವಿಕ್ರಮಾದಿತ್ಯ? ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಕ್ರಮಾದಿತ್ಯ, ಹೂ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್? ವಿಕ್ರಮಾದಿತ್ಯ ಕಥಾಂ ದೇಶಾಂತರಂ लिखति। हौ विक्रमादित्य went to other part of this king. राजा किमाश्रित्य राजौ स्थितः? राजा whom he takes shelter रात्रौ स्थितः, at night was the वृद्ध पक्षीराजस्य नाम किम्? What is the name of old पक्षीराज? परदुःखेन के अत्यंत दुःखिनः भवन्ति। Because dukkha is there means who is going to get very dukkha, very sad. नागरवासिभिः जनैः राक्षसः किम् उक्तः? What that Rakshasa told to this series? कस्मिन् राक्षसः विक्रमादित्यं किम् पृच्छति? विस्मितः राक्षसः, surprised that Rakshasa was there, no? What he asked to Vikramaditya? विक्रमादित्यः राक्षसं किम् उपदिशति? Vikramaditya told something to Rakshasa at the end, like Upadesha. Yes. What she did? Yes. Kim Upadesha? What? Upadesha can get. Dash dadati chetan santati chedo bhavishyati. Santati chedah. Stopping. तदेव तत्र परदुःखेन के अत्यन्त दुःखिनः who will become very very sad person. नगरवासिभिः जनैः राक्षसः किम्? राक्षसः what he told to this citizens? विस्मितः राक्षसः विक्रमादित्यं किम् पृच्छति? Surprised राक्षसः what he asked विक्रमादित्य राक्षसं किम् उपदिशति? What? And Vikramaditya gave preaching to Rakshasa. Dash dadati cheda dash dadati cheda, fill in the blanks. That is also very easy. Let's see. यो दुःखी साह सुहृदयी दुःखं विवेद्य सुखी भवेत्. Yes, suhrud, very good heart person. Friend is sad, this person is sad. That is very good thing. Yam kamevam ma bhakshaya. If anyone can eat maya padarthametat sharinam yiyate swechaya, my body only I am going to give my wish. Tvam vishwasya body arti pariharas. You are going to remove all donation. Prevail because you are prosperous. Adya prakriti manushya bhakshanam paritraja. Here announced what you do. What you have to do? Live. तदेव अस्माकं प्रमुखः विषयः. इदानीं दशवाक्ये उत्तरः विक्रमादित्यस्य परोपकारगुणं वर्तते. Means the quality of helping other that you have to discuss. विक्रमादित्यस्य प्रभावेण राक्षसः कथं परिवर्तितः? Because of this Vikramaditya, how Rakshasa become very good person. Chinta duranam nasukhan nidam. तदेव अत्र बहु विशेषरीत्या दत्तमस्ति. विक्रमादित्यस्य प्रभावेण राक्षसः कथं परिवर्तितः? Changes in Rakshasa, that also we have explained. रेखाङ्कितपदानि आश्रित्य प्रश्ननिर्माणं फ्रेम् क्वश्चन् चिन्तातुराणां न खलु न निद्रा चिन्तातुराणां केषां परदुःखेन साधवोऽत्यन्तदुःखिनो भवन्ति साधवः के उत्थलिका भोजराजं प्रति अब्रवीत् भोजराजं कम् एतद्रीत्या बहु उत्तमरीत्या वयं द्वितीयपाठस्य विवरणम् अनन्तरम् अभ्यासं दृष्टवन्तः सम्यक् रीत्या उत्तरं लिखित्वा प्रेषयन्तु सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादः।